Hello, everybody! How's everyone doing? Well, how about this? It's cloudy day. The fog is burning off. We're all clear for another season of Seattle Thunderbirds hockey. We want to welcome you to the Seattle Thunderbirds flag raising as we celebrate the start of the 2016-2017 season at the Shower Center. But before we go on with the ceremony, I would like to introduce the Mayor of Kent, Suzette Cooke. I'd like to welcome the City of Kent Chief Administrative Officer, Derek Matheson. The head coach of the Thunderbirds, Steve Konowalchuk. The captain of the Thunderbirds, Scott Eansor. And our next guest needs no introduction, but we're going to introduce him anyway. Here is the mascot of your T-Birds, Thunderbirds. Before we raise the flag, I'd like to invite Mayor Cooke to say a few things.
I just want to say the most awesome sport is ice hockey, and the most awesome team are the Thunderbirds. Thank you for choosing Kent.
Thank you, Mayor Cooke. And now I'd like to invite Thunderbirds head coach Steve Konowalchuk for a few remarks.
Just like to say thanks to the best fans in the Western Hockey League for sure. Our guys get excited every game, as you can tell by our home record. Thanks for coming out today, coming out this season, and making sure our guys have energy all year long.
Thank you, Coach. We're looking forward to another fantastic year on and off the ice, and it all starts tomorrow night, 7:05. Now it's time for our special Thunderbirds flag raising ceremony, and I'd like to invite everybody to get into position.